Hi guys. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these lip swatch videos, and I know by the title you're like, ugh. But I will be doing one today for Deck of Scarlet. Shout out to Deck of Scarlet for sending me 6 of their new liquid lipsticks that they are coming out with this month. You probably already got it, but if you didn't, they are coming out with liquid lipsticks in their subscription service. Okay, if you're not familiar with Deck of Scarlet, they are a makeup subscription service and a makeup brand. So what they basically do is collaborate with top beauty bloggers here on YouTube. They come together, create a beautiful palette with eyeshadows, blush, bronzer, highlight, and a lip product, and they send it to you monthly. But now they're adding more products. They're adding trend kits and lip kits and all kinds of other things that I don't know about yet, but I'm excited to see what they come out with this year. All right, but for now I got 6 of the new Deck of Scarlet velvety matte liquid lipsticks. Okay, they're very creamy. I swatched them all for you guys so you could see exactly how they look on me. Okay, but I wanted to show you what it looks like before I mess this up. So yeah, the cost of being a subscriber for Deck of Scarlet is $29.95, and that includes your shipping. So your shipping is free. You don't pay for that extra. Okay, they do ship to the US, Canada, and the UK, and they are paraben free and cruelty free. So if those are the type of things that you like, you might want to sign up with them and take advantage of that 30% off link and coupon code that I have down below in the description box if you are a first time subscriber, of course. So like I said, Deck of Scarlet came out with 6 liquid lipsticks, 3 of which will be included in this month's subscription. You probably already got it, or maybe you didn't, but they will be included, and the other 3 you can add to your cart to be included in your shipment or shipped to you, you know, if you choose to get them. Okay, so I got all 6 right here. There's a lot of beautiful nudie brown shades. There's a hot pink and a red one, and I'll be swatching each one for you guys. Alright you guys, so 3 of the lipsticks, Moody Moi, Brunch Babe, and Siren, are the ones that you will get in your subscription this month. And remember, as always, you get to preview the product before you decide if you want to get it or not. So you can definitely skip a month and move on to the next month. Alright, so don't be worried that you're going to get something you don't like. They always send you an email where you can look at it and see, you know, if it's something you're interested in, if it's something you want, and you can skip it and then move on to the next month. But I think you guys will like these liquid lipsticks. I think you will. It will probably help bring spring. I don't know. I don't know. All we can do is try. Call spring gods, please. I'm tired of snow. So before I go ahead and swatch these liquid lipsticks, I'm gonna kind of repeat everything for you. If you didn't get it, $29.95 a month for 3 liquid lipsticks. Okay, and remember, they do also have other products. This is just one of the new ones that they will be adding to their current palettes and products that they offer, and they will be coming out with so much more this year. There is a 30% off link and coupon code down below for you guys to use if you are new. So take advantage of that if you're not registered with them yet. And remember, you can skip a month if you don't want it. The shipping is free. They ship to the US, Canada, and the UK, paraben free and cruelty free. So all of that. All right, now let's get to the fun part, which is the lip swatching section of this video. All right.
Perfect.
just wanted to cut in while you watch me swatch these beautiful liquid lipsticks from Deck of Scarlet. I wanted to let you guys know that they go on so smoothly. The only one I had a little bit of issue with was the pink one, but 2 coats did the trick and it turned out beautiful. But they are really flexible on the lips, if that makes sense. It's not super drying. They stay really nice and velvety, and they don't crumble up. So just wanted to let you guys know that, and you can continue on watching.
Perfect.
Alright you guys, so you just saw me swatch the new liquid lipsticks from Deck of Scarlet, the new velvety matte liquid lipsticks from them. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have a favorite shade, comment it down below. Let me know which one you preferred. If you want to sign up for Deck of Scarlet, there is a 30% off link and coupon code down below in the description box for you, so you can take advantage of that. Try it out, see if you like it. You know, if you don't like something they send to you, or you get an email showing you what they're about to send, if you don't like it, you can skip it. Okay, remember that, you can skip it. Remember, the shipping is also free. They ship to the US, Canada, and the UK. They're paraben free and cruelty free, and yeah, they're coming out with so much more. So I'm excited to see what they come out with. Hopefully I'll get another opportunity to work with them and, you know, try out all the other stuff that they come out with. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you did. Okay, thumbs up if you did. Comment, let me know which lipstick was your favorite. This one is my favorite. She's bright, she's beautiful, she looks like a flower, she can conjure spring, I think. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you all very soon in another video. Bye guys. Oh, and there is a tutorial for this look.